did some of the trimming last night, and this is where I'm at. I still need to do all this side, but for now, until the grass dries off a bit, it's just too wet with dew, I'm going to be doing this area. I need to get rid of all the nettles, and I've got some hollyhocks, bare roots that I want to plant. I'm hoping to put them along the edge of the barn there. They grow very, very tall, and I need something that will actually fill that area and also not be blown down by the wind. So I'm thinking that's a good place for them. So, this tree. There's a little rose hiding in here as well. So I've got to try and get all these roots up, which I'm not going to get all of them, but if I can get some of these nettle roots up, it's going to really help. But I've got ivy and nettle roots here, which is making it quite difficult. Oops. I've got some rose cuttings that I took, not last year, I think the year before. So I'm going to put these in. got some lupins. These were bare roots, so I just need to pop these in. Thought if I put them amongst the roses here. So that's the little corner I was working on today. Looks a lot better, I have to say. I even took all the ivy off the wall as well. I left it around the little window because actually I think it looks rather pretty. I love trees, and I particularly love the light when it shines through the trees. Thought it's about time I showed you how my seedlings are doing. And not too bad, I have to say. These are sunflowers, got nasturtiums, the antirrheniums here. I planted a second tray of zinnias there. I bought some new seeds as well just to make sure, because I absolutely adore them. Here we've got marigolds, which are not done well at all. I have no idea why. And then I have these, that, and that. If you can see that. I have no idea what that is. If anybody knows, let me know. Here we've got the original lot of zinnias that I planted. The seeds were, well, they weren't this year's seeds, so I don't know if they were a little bit old. A few more sunflowers. Again, this was a new packet, but I only got 3 out of the 10, so that's not a good success rate at all. This is a tray of, well, I'm pretty certain it's all weeds. And this are all my cosmos, which are doing lovely.